Turning your engine T44. Turning good, all compressions complete. At the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no brakes, all nice. Compressor looks good, all nice, socket look good, no damage. Altimeter look as well, as you can see, all nice. And on this side engines looks good, no damage, no brake. Gearbox looks good. Starter look as well, as you can see, in a good conditions. And on this side engines looks good. Engines turbo looks good, no damage, no brake, all nice, all good. And on the top, as you can see, plastic look as well. Socket looks good, all nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, all nice, all good. And turning your engine T44.